So I've just put some bird seed in the parrot feeder, and the king parrot, he was straight in. He was like, yes please, I'm hungry. And the little mountain Maoris there, oh, he's flown off. They've been waiting patiently because every time they get near it, the king parrot chases them away and they run around in circles. It's quite funny. There's a couple of king parrots actually in the wings there. They're probably because I'm here, they're being a bit shy. So the other one's just there. And there's another one up in there as well. Where is he? There, you can see him moving. They camouflage very well. But these guys are probably quite happy I came out and the king parrot got all nervous. And there's Willow. Where are you? She's like, oh, the human's here. Has she got food for me? There's lots of birds out this morning. I figured they will probably need that extra seed today just with the heat. Keep their tummies full so they're not having to scavenge around in the hot sun. I can hear the king parrot talking to himself, going, oh, that's my food. And we've got, if we come over here, we've got Alex and Dexter. And there's Dave in the background. Hi, Dave. And there's little Nola. Hello, Nola. And I can see Tess just behind the alpacas. She's probably wishing she could round them up. Yeah, look at her. They'll keep her entertained for ages. Hello, Dave. The alpacas are like, doggies. Good group of dogs. Don't know where Miffy is. I think Miffy's lying on the concrete. Yeah, good on you, Dave. Pull your head in. Miffy! There she is. Hello, Miffy! She was lying on the concrete. Hey, sweetie pie! She's a good dog. Anyway, that's the zoo. Oh, there we go. There's Jack. And the birds have taken off. They'll be back. Oh, and there's Tilly over there. Look at her. She's getting a bit fat. I need to lock her up, but it's too hot to put her in the Jenny Craig paddock because there's no real significant shade in there. So as soon as this hot weather's over, they are going away to have a bit of weight loss time. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a lovely morning. Enjoy this lovely hot day. It's not too bad at the moment.